What's going on this morning, family? Black Feniks checking in. I want to give you a small update on my handmade welding skid. Had a few more people ask me a few things about it, so I want to give you a few updates on it. That's in the back of my truck right here, just to kind of give you a small update on the way the frame is. As you see, those are homemade reels at the back. You can buy some, spend $300, that's fine. Getting started, when I actually built this, I figured that it wasn't worth me spending that much getting started. So, I just wanted to get started. Later you can go back and find some, and actually they work pretty good. So when I put them on my other one, I have some other ones that actually I learned how to make some, so I know how to make them now. But this is something to get me started. Actually kills several birds in one stone, so it's working. Everything can be on here pretty solid. It picks up with a forklift or with a crane, so it's very sufficient for what I'm using. Then, like, this is a regular bed, and as you see, I still got plenty of room. I actually got a toolbox that mount down, and like I said, it's plenty of room, man. I actually made this one for 3 bottles when I need to carry 3, because I do TIG well. So sometimes I need the HogOn bottle, but right now I don't, so I don't have it. Normally I just carry what I need when I need it, you know what I mean? So other than that, I leave it because I like my bottles being up like that, the way I got them posted, because that way all I have to do is just put the gauges on them, lock and load and go. I don't have to drag the bottles out, tilt them up, none of that, you know what I mean? And they good in position the way they is, and they tight. You see the way I got them sitting in that frame. So it's a good solid structure, something I came up with to actually help my independence, but it's working. So, like what the old folks say, if it's not broke, don't fix it. So just want to give you a small update this morning. Getting some coffee, man, at the gas station, get my gas station therapy in, a few things on my mind. But just wanted to give you an update on the skid. And like I said, this is the one that I use just to give you an idea. And the base models, this is actually being considered as a deluxe model without the reels and stuff. So this is actually a deluxe model, but on the base models they start at $500 and they go up. So from 500 to 1,000 to 2,000, depends on what all you want on it. If you want your reels on it, all your reels on it, all you have to do is just throw your welder and your bottles on it. It can come like that too. So I just make them for everybody budget, because everybody budget is different. So if you want, to spend where you got it to have your skid fully equipped with everything on it, all you got to do is plug and go, I can have it like that for you. If you want the base model, we can do that. Or if you want the prints and you're a journeyman or a master welder and you just want to build your own, or you're fresh out of school and say, hey, I want to put my own together, it feels good. It does feel good when you make your own stuff, especially if you're a welder and fabricator. So if you can make it and you can build this with your hands, hey, I got some prints, they're only $100, you can build you one. And you can customize it, you can add things to it. You might see something to say, hey man, I can do this make mine look a little better, whatever, that's cool with me. So the goal is for us to get our independence started, and that's what I'm doing. HogOn.